No sticky feet in my mouth. Oh, Mueller. Uh-oh. A big jumping pincher's coming. Look at your neck. Oh! Oh! Ah! Look at that dog. Look how good that dog is being over there. Look, you just slowly. Only if you lay down on the rug and pretend like you're sleeping for about an hour. Okay, ready? Go to sleep. You're wide awake. This dog is not feeling very good. Come here. Why are you so sad, dog? Come here.
Guys, ready to take away. My name's Fire.
Fire? A fitting dog. Look at this dog, how good it is. Can I teach you to attack these other two dogs? He's too good. He's too good to fight. What about that dog? What's this name?
Dad,
It's small and it's red and his name. Oh, you look. Kip. Oh. Oh. You're gonna run out of saliva eventually, Carter. You can only keep that. No. No. Oh. What? I can't hear you. Oh. Oh, right. This dog is so nice. Look at these two dogs. One is mesmerized by the fire. The other has hot chocolate all over its face. Yuck.
No, it's hot chocolate and spit all over his face.
If I had a dog like this, if Lily was like this dog here, Fire.
He's only like that because of how long you guys were out today. Remember him when we first woke up this morning? Don't even try and pretend like you're good now, Quink.
Was that a long walk up to the top of that hill? Wasn't it kind of hard?
Where'd you guys go on your walk?
Up to the top of the. There's a teepee at the top of the hill.
Oh, yeah?
2 teepees, and they went in both of them.
Really?
Yep, and they weren't cold, even though they were laying in snow.
Did the teepees have snow on them?
Hill in the snow. Yeah.
Did they?
They were just sticks. There was no roof on them.
Not very effective, huh?
I just have Carter bathe me in this.
You don't need a shower now.
Carter, do not laugh. If I hear you, you know what I think could be a good relaxing thing? Power Rangers.
Quinn, do you want to watch Power Rangers?
Why don't we put the DVD player and they can sit on the couch or something?